Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dani Nugroho dengan NIM 233510335. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan melanjutkan pembelajaran untuk belajar TypeScript React Native. Langsung saja di Web3 School, pembelajaran terakhir kita itu ada di Array Map. Langsung saja ke ini, ES6 Destructing. React ES6 Destructing in React. Destructing is a JavaScript feature that allows you to extract values from object or arrays into distinct variable. In React, it's commonly used with props, hooks, and state management. Destructing makes React's code cleaner and more readable by reducing repetitive object and array access. Destructing arrays. Here is here is here is the old way of assigning array item of a variable to a variable. Example before wait tanya mengenai stack apps car vehicle 01 car truck SUV 01 each variable separately. Car truck SUV cons car truck SUV vehicles. Car truck and SUV. Kedua kode menggunakan fitur modern dari JavaScript yang disebut array destrukturisasi array yang dibuat pada S6 ECMAScript 2015. Mengambil data satu persatu menggunakan nomor urut letaknya dimulai dari angka 0 menjadi panjang dan kurang bisa ditulis. Anda memiliki banyak variabel yang ingin diekstrak di sebuah array. Cara modern array destructing vehicle, so car truck SUV vehicle. Misalnya menggunakan kursiku di sebelah kiri tanda sama dengan secara tidak akan membongkar isi dari array vehicle dan memasukkan ke dalam variabel car truck and SUV secara brutal dalam satu baris kode. Kemudian kode menjadi lebih ringkas, elegan, dan sangat mudah dibaca. Ya sih, benar-benar barang bersama damai yang sudah taruh dan barang pertama taruh di keranjang car, posisi kedua taruh di keranjang truck, posisi ketiga taruh di SUV yang otomatis ketika saya tekan lakukan menggunakan isi kotak paket tersebut di atas nampak ketika saya tekan masing-masing dalam satu waktu. When destructing arrays, ketika memisahkan atau menghancurkan array, the ordered variable I'll declare is important. If we only want the car and USV, we can simply leave out the truck but keep the comma. Kalau kita mau cuman mobil dan SUV, kita bisa kita bisa mengabaikan truk tapi dengan cara pakai koma, ya kan, pakai koma. So hilang, koma. Destructing comes in handy when a function return an array. Function returns an array. dny, that one here. Satu. Here is here. Oh my god. You can use destructing to extract the value from an object, unpack the value from an object. Beda dengan array yang Anda tanyakan sebelumnya, kode yang Anda berikan objek destructing. Mari kita bahas mengapa urutan tidak menjadi masalah. Ketika Anda menggunakan objek destructing menggunakan tanda kurung di awal dengan urutan kurung kurawal, JavaScript hanya bertugas mencocokkan nama variabel dengan nama kunci yang ada dalam objek tersebut. I see. Jadi mau Anda menulisnya berurutan atau dibongkar secara acak, sama variabel first name akan dengan pintar mencari kunci bernama first name dan mengambil nilai John, begitu pada yang lainnya. Objek bersama sebuah kabinet laci di meja kerja. Setelah sebelum kita ambil yang laci first name, laci last name, laci s, ibarat mengambil buku dada yang berjejer tanpa label. Misalnya buku urutan pertama itu Mustang. Jika Anda salah mengambil hasilnya akan tertukar. Oh, I see. For object, the order of property doesn't matter. Example, unpack the value in a random order. Unpack the value. You can extract only the value you want. First name const person. For potentially missing property, we can set default value. Set a default value for the missing property. Can set missing property. Set a default for missing property. Kita koma nambahkan country dari Norway sama dengan person. We can also destructor mengatur ulang struktur deeply nested object by referencing the nested object. Deeply nested object using colon and curly brace to again the structure the items const person first name John Lee. John Doe. Janda, brand for model Mustang. A component receive props. You can use destructing to extract the values. You need check out the difference between using and not using destructing. Using destructing function greeting name age return H1 hello. Let's see a working example. Step destructing. Step destructing. When a company uses the step hop, we use destructing to extract values from it. Example: using destructing to extract value from this state. Import grep. Root new step from background client function from destructing the error to new step. Count second new step. Return button click. Function use profile. Wait. Aduh, benar-benar langsung use profile. Ooh, damn. Wrong answer. Wah, I see. Why is the correct way to destructure multiple properties from an object? Multiple properties. Tadi begini. Nih. I see. How do you skip the second element? Komanya dua. How do you set a default value when destructing an object? Dulu. Kayaknya ini deh. Oke. Selesai kita adik-adik. Selanjutnya kita masuk ke script operator. Script operator. The JavaScript operator copies out of part of an existing array and or object into another object. Numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, number 2, 4, 5, 6. Numbers combined. Script operator combination y with destructing. Example: send the first and second items for numbers to variable input, the rest in array against numbers. Can use split operator with objects too. Exercise. To speed operator. Next equation. Consider combine. Uh, uh, C, salah. Oh, ini dia. Kok wrong answer? Ada. Oh. Cons number cons to x numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Oke, selanjutnya di modules React S6. Modules JavaScript modules allow you to break up your code into spread files. This makes it easier to maintain in code base. AS modules rely on import and export statement. Export, you can export a function or variable from any file. Let us create a file named person.js and fill it with the things we want to export. These are the types of export: name and default. Name export. Yes. Name 8. Export cons 8. Oh, cons. All at once at the bottom. Default export. Let us create message.js and use it demonstrating default export. You can only have default export in a file. Set the following code into the newly created file. Message.js cons message Tobias. You can import modules into a file in two ways based on if they are name export or default export. Name export must be destructor using curly brace. Default export do not. Import cons export name age. Alright. Now understand a little bit. This is exciting. Tadi how do you import a default export? Default export itu tadi yang ini. Yeah, that's easy. Which statement about default export? Default export curly brace when importing. Sorry. Yeah. Let's go, boy. Now we in ternary operator. Using if random app underlocking random app. Let's go zoom. System to generate. Now I'm bagging you. Which statement is true regarding to ternary operator? The simple way of writing conditional statement while loops, waiting for loops, conditional statement. What can I do? What can I say? Bothering you, bothering me. Let's go. One last thing is X. John. Message hello. The string use backticks instead of quotes and can include multiple lines without an expression inside as dollar kurung berawal quotes will escape in. Seems to generate interpolation. You can include any valid JavaScript expression. So expression inside the string that promise take templates. You can use string with a function that use function string. Yes. Now I'm begging you. Example explain the function name is highlight. You can limit whether you want the first element holds the text between the expression as an array. Message name we are what can I do? Should I do? What can I do? What can I do? Ooh, backtick name. Hello. Oh yeah, you are. Oh. Wondering if you can create template string backticks. How do you insert expression in template string? Pakai $. Oke, kita sudah menyelesaikan React ES6. I think that's all for today. Thanks for your attention. Sorry if there are much mistake in this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.